Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. It's me again. So in this lesson today, I will introduce about the develop our project to control the speed and direction of the motor. So the first thing, don't forget like and subscribe to supporting me. And if you want to further more information about this project or develop your knowledge, like the foundation from the beginner to the immediately level. Don't forget to assign my course with the link below this video. So first I will introduce about the schematic. As you can see, here is our microcontroller PIC16F877A. And you can see here we have model L298. We're using it to change the direction and control the speed of this motor. We have this LCD screen to display the duty cycle and display the speed of the motor. Okay, you can see we have three buttons using the external interrupt, and I use this button to control the direction and control the speed of this motor. Okay, here's something about our schematic, and you want to develop your skill, develop your knowledge. Again, as I enroll my course. So now I will run the simulation. The first thing you can see the LCD screen display duty cycle, and when our motor is done running, you can see it equals 0%. And now I want to turn right with 20%, and you can see here is our motor working very well. Right. I will increase the speed 40% of duty cycle. Here 60%. Now you can see it worked very well, quite smooth, right? I change the direction to the left, and you can see duty right now 20% because I have made 5 level, 20% duty cycle, 40, 60, 80, and 100%. So I will increase the speed, increase speed, increase speed again 80%, and the direction is the left. You can see this very easy, right? Now I change the direction to the right, and if you set again 20%, I will change this, you can see a little bit delay time, but it doesn't matter. Now you can see 80% of duty cycle, and we have the speed control right now. Now, if I want stop, just click this button to stop. Work very well, right? Work very well. To enroll my course to have the lot of information. Enroll online course. Develop your knowledge today. So, to left, okay, again for this step. And here we use this project very popular because we using our microcontroller to control the speed direction of the motor or control the servo, control a lot of things in real. So you can see very useful and very convenient to control this. Okay, so just like and subscribe to supporting me, make a lot of videos in the future. And don't forget to enroll my course to develop your knowledge, develop your foundation, because my course develop from the beginner to the intermediate level. So you can learn more and further information. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.